Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 4 over 5 tan t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 16 over 25 tan t square. Number 25, they will cancel 16. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square. Later that we simplify the square root and ds. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. This one you got about 16 over 25 tan t square. Number 25, we cancel. Number 16, we can do about factorization. This one you got about secant of t square. The square root of number 16 secant of t square, you got about 4 secant of t. Now we need to simplify 4 over 5. Secant of t, we simplify. And now I will put number 4 go in here. This one we can put into 1 over cosine t. Similar for this one, we change sin t over cosine t. Cosine t, we simplify. This one we can put into cosecant of t dt. The integration of this one, we got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we put 4 over 5 go to the left. And this one you got about t equals to tan of 5s over 4. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.